you are the one example I give whenever I talk to comedians about especially with musicians. I have this argument a lot about how musicians never got their audience into the habit of paying for what they are offering. And that's something I learned from you, because I remember meeting you in Delhi in 2014 or 13, I think.
Okay.
Potbelly was going on.
Okay.
And you had said three things to me which I still tell people, they are still as relevant as they ever were. The first is that if they are coming to watch you perform, they better get used to paying. So even if it's an open mic, charge $100 minimum, but let it be full cover, but charge. Get them into the habit of paying. That's, I think, something that all of us took on as a community in the beginning, to make sure that all open mics would be paid open mics. The second thing that you did, which was some math, was a wonder math for me at that time, though it was very basic math when you think about it, is you just did a quick cross section of population, and you said itna log hai, itna log itne se itna kamata hai, matlab itna potential audience hai, matlab agar tum 500 seater रोज भी भरो
जब
you are barely reaching.
जब तुम बिजनेस रन करते हो तो वो वाला मतलब एक माइंड चलता ही आदमी का कि इसमें मतलब ओवरऑल बिजनेस पोटेंशियल कितना है, टोटल पॉपुलेशन इतना है, उसका इतना परसेंटेज कैप्चर करोगे, ये करोगे, वो करोगे, तो इट्स समहाउ गेट्स इनटू यू कि पैसे निकालने. प्लस
आई लव दैट.
प्लस द थिंग इज, मेरा चैलेंज ये भी था ना, व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू कॉमेडी आई हैड दैट प्रेशर ऑफ मेकिंग डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, because I had a family. I had kids already who were going to school and family, and I had to justify why I have to close the business and I had a pretty good business running at that time.
What was your business then?
I used to run an HR consulting firm, basically recruitment firm, doing pretty well. So we had 40 people at one point of time working for us. So
okay.
उसको छोड़ के करना फुल टाइम.
तो आपने completely बंद कर दिया? Because I understand Atul's company also. I keep drawing parallels between you and Atul.
हाँ, काफी parallels हैं. In fact, कई बार even the sets are attributed to each other sometimes.
Oh yeah, like the time you did the set about watching Justin Bieber live. What a great, But it's been long, and you are and it's nice to talk to other people who are first generation, so to speak, because I think there is a common understanding and appreciation and gratitude for just how quickly this blew up and how quickly we went from here to there. And I remember, around 2015, I had met you next, which is when you had given me the third big piece of advice that I always tell to people, is that you had said that you are a comedian and you better get into the habit of going wherever they are willing to watch you. And it doesn't matter where that place is, as long as the audience has purchasing power and willingness.
हाँ यार, मतलब ये थोड़ा सा ना मेरा मतलब कुछ कॉमेडियंस से मेरा व्यू थोड़ा अलग है इन चीज़ों में कि मतलब a lot of comedians feel or the way they work on stages, they believe they are bigger than the audience. I've always believed that audience is bigger than you. Okay, finally it's them. Okay, I've had those conversations where before a show हम कुछ show इकट्ठे कर रहे थे show. And before the show there was some kind of discussion which blew up into an argument started, and I ended up shouting at which is rare.
Yeah, I'm already wide-eyed.
At some of the comedians, I made them sit down and said, देख अभी शो शुरू होने वाला है, ठीक है, और ये जितने लोग हैं ना, ये जो 120 लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं, इन्होंने 500 रुपए की टिकट खरीदी है, इन्होंने 4 घंटे लाइफ के तेरे को दिए हैं. 4 घंटे आजकल लोग अपने पेरेंट्स को भी नहीं देते, ठीक है. So you better fucking respect that and first do a good show. उसके बाद जिसको लड़ना है, जिसके साथ गला काटना है, वो काट लो.
Yeah.
But जब शो है तो उस टाइम ensure that try your best to give the best time to your audience. That's very important.
Yeah.
वो अगर तुमको देखने आ रहे हो, तुम उस चीज को वैल्यू करो यार. दुनिया में किसको कौन देखने आता है?
हाँ.
अपने माँ बाप को देखने कितने बार जाते तो तेरे, और उससे टिकट लिए उसने कई बार महीना पहले बुकिंग कराई होगी, राइट? 2 महीने पहले बुकिंग कराई।
Absolutely.
उसके बाद तुम कहो कि आज मेरा मूड नहीं है, आई डोंट थिंक इट्स राइट।
Yeah, I don't think "Aaj mera mood nahi hai" is the worst argument I've ever heard from a comedian. While I understand it, I also feel like I look at it from a professional point of view. कि, you're a professional. You're not a. I think comedians are the least artistic of all the artists when it comes down to it. Because in another art form तो कुछ भी feel करवा के भेज सकते हो घर पे. यहाँ पे हंसाना है. It's very high octane. Very specific in that sense, and we as people also are so much more obsessed with the how it works or rather than how it feels.
अरे यार ये बहुत प्रॉब्लम है कॉमेडियंस की, ऑनेस्टली। मैं मतलब समटाइम्स आई थिंक 5-6 दिन पहले ही शायद अभिजीत से मेरी बात हो रही थी, एंड आई थिंक प्रॉब्लम कॉमेडियंस का एक और पता है क्या है कि हम रेबल बनते हैं कि सो जब कॉमेडियन बनता है ना आदमी, तो वो he moves away from getting judged by everybody to getting judged by comedians.
Yeah, but
तो हम बहुत सारी चीजें सिर्फ इसलिए भी करते हैं कि या नहीं कर पाते कि बाकी कॉमेडियंस क्या सोचेंगे, तुम लोग क्या सोचेंगे से कॉमेडियंस क्या सोचेंगे में पहुंच गए हैं बहुत सारे केसेस में।
Yeah.
Which again I feel is, फिर क्या फायदा? तो रेबल तो नहीं हुए तुम, आर्टिस्ट तो नहीं हुए कहीं ना कहीं तो।
So I feel like that it also comes from a place of confidence. You've lived your life. Like I think anybody who started comedy in the first generation, who was in their 30-35 plus range of age or in their 40s, well, they were obviously automatically at an edge compared to the rest of us.
हाँ, एडवांटेज है, बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज है।
Because you've lived a life, you have that security inside your heart. I remember I started at 18. For 4 years of my life, I was trying to be validated by somebody or the other, either audience or comic or whoever. And then, it took me those 4-5 years to just figure out and be like, why do I care so much? If they are laughing, I shouldn't think so much.
नहीं, वो 1.5-2 साल तो हमें भी लगे, मतलब मुझे भी 1.5-2 साल तो लगे। मेरे हिसाब से जो एडवांटेज है ना, एक तो ये है कि मेरे पास 35 साल का कंटेंट था जब मैंने स्टार्ट करा, और तेरे पास 18 साल का था।
नहीं, इट्स ऑल्सो द फैक्ट कि जिसके पास पैसा है और जो सुनने आ रहा है वो भी मोस्ट लाइकली 35 साल का है।
हाँ, वो बहुत बड़ा फायदा है।
वो मेरे पास नहीं था। If I had that kind of, if I, when you went to Canvas and you performed at what was a 750 rupee ticket, you are not getting the kids you are making a laugh in college. You are getting your parents' age people, and they are staring at you like ये क्या निकल रहा है इसके मुंह से।
वो अंकल आंटी क्राउड तुम्हारे हिसाब से, वो मेरा क्राउड है।
हाँ, which is scariest crowd for me. I don't know if I got to tell you this, but the other day I did not other day, matlab several months ago I did a show for my parents' Gujarati Sahitya Mandal thing. Okay. Gujarati stand-up auditorium show. They told me I'm not even allowed to wear what I usually wear. Like not even like I can wear trousers and shirt. I have to wear the kurta and the chota, the Nehru jacket on top and and after all of that, I had to do 20 minutes, of which I managed to get through about 6 minutes of silence. And then I was heckled off stage by an 82-year-old grandmom of somebody.
Oh wow.
Who जिसने balcony से मेरे को इतना heckle किया that I had to literally get off stage. And the next guy on was some laughter challenge gentleman who is a doctor. Okay.
Tushar
so
Shah.
I called him on. Yeah, I think it was Tushar Shah only. Okay. So I said, give it, welcome Tushar Shah. And I didn't realize that Tushar Shah would not come on stage if I didn't say Dr. Tushar Shah.
Oh.
तो उसमें और भी लोग भड़क गए मेरे ऊपर. Oh man, it was a nightmare. Like you can't even say anything. All the comebacks that I was getting in my head, I could not do because I'm like, whatever I say to this grandmom also applies to my grandmom sitting in the audience right now. माई ब्रेन इज डाइंग टू से कि आंटी आप चिल करो ना, आप ऐसे भी मरने वाले हो, 2 मिनट रुक जाओ ना, बट आई कांट. पर मैं बोलूंगा, पर लगेगा तो बुआ के दिल पे ना, क्योंकि उनको भी अप्लाई होता है, तो आई डिडंट वांट दैट.